Welcome everybody to Omnisend's marketing tip series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing programs and help you increase your sales. Now, this week, I talked about personalizing your cart abandonment strategy based on data points like cart total and purchase history. Here are the main takeaways for the week. Split your messages based on cart total and or their purchase history. This allows you to customize messages for those in over and under your free shipping threshold or AOV if there is no threshold, and communicate to each customer differently based on their shopping history. Be sure to focus on addressing general obstacles conversion, but also specific ones based on the cart or purchase history data. Adapt your discounting strategy accordingly. Are they over or under a free shipping threshold? Are they a loyal customer or first-time customer? And how might these answers impact your discount strategy? Based on the splits, determine if you should change how many messages you should send to each group. Loyal customers may only need one email and an SMS, while first-time shoppers may need all three or more to convert. Optimizing your messages to increase cart recovery rate will help you achieve incremental growth with your email program and ultimately make you more money. That's why we're here. Hope you're able to find something in this week's tips that will help you increase your sales. Now, I would love to see your refreshed cart abandonment messages, so be sure to share them with me on Twitter or LinkedIn, or tell me your brand name, and I'll go abandon the carts myself. Who knows? Maybe you'll even get me to buy something. Thanks for tuning in this episode of our Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out Omnisend and let us prove how we can help you double your conversions. Until next time, happy marketing.